Hey everyone, AI has become so advanced nowadays that it no longer necessary for anyone to learn complex tools to build and deploy anything. You can literally use AI to build and deploy anything so fast that used to take weeks, even months before the AI era. You can literally use AI to build anything without consuming endless amount of time. And this video is regarding that part of AI where I will show you guys how you can use a Claude's latest AI model Fable 5 and integrate it with Meta ads and create your first Meta ads campaign and launch it, scale it, and get results going for you. So make sure to watch the video till the end and let's get started, and let me directly take you to my laptop screen. Everyone, and before I start the video, I have a small request. You haven't liked the video yet, so please do it, and let's directly start the video. So before I start, let me give you the context, like on which project we are going to use this. I mean this Fable 5 and Meta ads thing. First of all, this is my project. This is the landing page, like on which we are going to run the project. I mean, I will demonstrate this. This is a community landing page for mine, and this is the thank you page. And here we will drive the traffic using Meta ads. And for this, I have created few ad creatives again using Claude Fable 5. And before this, let me give you a quick walkthrough of Facebook or Meta's ads manager. This is the ads manager, and from here I am going to create a new ad campaign. It is called lead ads, and from here I will choose the conversion wala option. Okay, so I will be creating here, and let me keep it everything same as it is, and I will go to ad set. Okay, it has closed. Okay, so I will go to ad set, and I will be choosing single website. Okay, and from website, this is the pixel means the data set. If you don't know what is pixel and all, I will show you here in this video. First, pixel is a tracking code given by Meta which allows the company Meta's algorithm to track whether the user has completed the conversion or not, whether they took any action or not in your desired website or landing page. So if you guys don't know how to create any pixel and all, you go to dataset. Since I created my pixel, so it will not, I think it will not allow me to create one more. Okay, let's say, okay, this is my pixel, and manage integrations. I will create, see, if you guys are new here, it will show you create one. Okay, and you can create and you can get the pixel id. In my case, this is my pixel id, guys, and I will click on manage integrations, install pixel on your website, and I will simply click on option number 1. I will get the code, the tracking code, and I will paste the code on the header section of my landing page or website. Since I have already done this, as you guys can see, my pixel is loading. By the way, it is another plugin named Pixel Helper Tool. You can search it on Google and install it on your browser. Uh, it is firing now. This means it is successfully loaded. So creating pixel is done. Now let me take you guys to the next part. We will create a custom conversion. Now what is custom conversions? Custom conversions means we are uh, we are uh, we are commanding Meta algorithms to take the visitors to this page only. What I mean to say is, we are telling Meta कि when the visitor visits this specific page, count this as one conversion, otherwise don't count it. So Meta's algorithm will try their best to show my ads to those people who are most likely to go to that page of my like, which I will configure here. Okay, they are most likely to click on the ad, and take action and go to that page, which I will configure from here. I know it might sound a little bit complex, but it's easy. Trust me, guys. So now I will create custom conversion. Okay. In the always remember in the custom conversion link, don't add a landing page link, because you want the complete conversion, and conversion only happens when the visitor hit the thank you page, right? So I will click this on. I will copy the thank you page link, and I will simply put it here only. Okay, I will name it. Okay, let's say sign up. Cool. Now I will be clicking. I will be pasting the link here only. Now I will create the custom conversion. Okay. Okay, let's click on done. Now it will show you inactive. So how to make this inactive to active? First, you have to do two things. First, you have to open the thank you page on your laptop or desktop, and you have to open the same thank you page on your phone. Now I have already just now I have opened the landing page, I mean thank you page from my phone, so it is showing now active. So now here the manual task done, it hardly take 5 minutes. Okay, now here comes the AI wala part. I will go to Claude. I have already uh, created my ad creatives and all, so it will show you done here, but I will show you how to do it. First of all, uh, I uh, I I gave Claude a context, all my lead magnet, all my landing page data, to give it a context of what my landing page is all about. And I created sorry, I selected Fable 5 from here. Okay, by the way, now Fable 5 needs credit, but they are, I think, giving $100 of credits for everyone for a limited time. If you haven't opted for that, just you might receive an email or notification here. You guys can opt in for the same, and you can use Fable 5. So I already clicked on Fable 5. Now it will ask me to turn it on, because but I already created the ad creatives before. It now has context of what my landing page is about, what my lead magnet is all about. Now I have asked it to give me the ad creative. First I went with Opus 4.8, and since my Canva is connected, it gave me the ad creative using Canva, and the result were not so good. So I asked it, here are the results. By the way, I don't know why it is not showing. It is broken right now, I guess. But first results were not so good. Then I rejected it, and then I choose Fable 5 from a 4.8 Opus, and then it has given me some more ad creatives. Okay, after doing some back and forth, it has given me some more creatives. See, here are the creatives: one, two, and three. And trust me, guys, although I am a Canva designer, I have a very good grip on Canva. Still, creating such kind of graphic could have easily taken me endless amount of time, right? But it has gave me within less than 30 minutes. So our three creatives are done. Now what I did is, since we guys have already created our custom conversion from here, now let's go to campaigns. Since we have already created our campaign, so yeah, we will refresh the same. So here we are, guys. We have our active conversion ready. We will click on sign up. So again, let me give you the context. We are telling Meta's algorithm to show our ads to only specific set of audience who are most likely to click on the ad, take action, and visit that specific thank you page. This means by default we are optimizing our campaign for for conversions from day one itself. Okay, and 99% of the time I use this option only for myself, for all of my clients. And we are done now. By the way, I am not showing you guys how to set up audience and all, because that will make the video unnecessarily lengthy, and that's also not the objective of this video. But yeah, from here you can again see when I will configure the pages and all, from which pages the ads are need to run. And from here now, here I will give you the landing page link, not the thank you page link. Okay, this is my landing page link, and this is my thank you page link. Cool. Now I will choose, I will click on browser add-on, none. I will click it on, I will keep it at none. Next, uh, here it will ask you to select the ad creatives and all. You will upload it, do your required task from here only. And now it will also ask you to write the captions, correct? Write the captions, write the, I mean the copywriting part, a primary text, headline and all. You can also use AI, I mean the Claude or ChatGPT to do the same. For example, in my case, all my data is here inside Claude. So I can simply ask Claude to, hey Claude, give me the copywriting for this same ad. It will give me primary text, headline, description, what call to action button to keep. So yeah, that's it guys. And by the way, yeah, since I have already connected my Meta Ads account via MCP to Claude, it can also fetch the data, the performance data of how my ads are performing, where I am losing money, where I am gaining money. So based on that I can optimize the ads even more. So yeah, that's it for today. Do let me know how was the video, and see you in the next video. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye bye.